Hello everybody, I'm Fanjie. Finished work. Now it's 8:43. 18 is 6:43, almost 7 o'clock. Today's weather is horrible. The German weather, they say they don't know when we're getting better. Ooh, that means this summer always raining. So from 27, we want to have our holiday. We decided to go to other country, but for this coronavirus, we cannot go any place. Maybe we can go to Italy, but I have to be careful. Maybe German block the border, we cannot turn back. Right now, it really is bad. Our plans all have to be changed. This is not good. I hate it. Now I walk to another bus station again. A short one there, they have time to time stop, but not always stop. So I have to go to another place. Walking a little bit faster. Look, in Germany, many times you can see, especially in summer, always see this disgusting. Oh, these things. This is cute. Look. This is belong to the Venice. They have to make the light over there. Here, I don't know when they are finished this. Really, look, we live in the forest. And the toilet also in our here. So bad. Look. Over here. Really bad. He is again take his beast out. Bosch. This is a hammer. Bosch hammer. To do over here. Our kitchen light. Have to do. Da 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 da. God, this is. Oh. Wow. Finished? Oh my God, this beast. Vroom. Heavy. Look, it's like a gum.
Can you open this one here for me?
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Open this.
Yes, I cannot.
Okay, I do it for you.
This is something for small hands.
Okay, I do. It means you want to complete these ones out. You don't want to use this. For he say this is not convenient. Other is a Deutsch called Wacko. Wacko is very simple, very good one. I show everyone how they look like. Look, this is Wacko. They have the 2 or 3 different ones. You just put it inside and clicked. Here. Very easy and safe. Very safe. It's very good. Now our kitchen light is finished. He want to open, show everyone how it look like. Yeah, where it is? I want to open. Wow, so bright.
How is
Nice. This is a kitchen company. They make Rome. So we order since this one from internet, also from Siemens. This is from Spain, sending to here. So I tell to my man, have to make coronavirus. Look, have to make. Careful. Hand 给我。Other, yes, protect yourself. And I want to opening. How it look like? Do you want to?
Yes, I do the unboxing.
Now he opening. How it look like? Yes, open professional like this. Yes. Wow.
Oh,
This is big.
this is big.
Wow, look how big it is. They protect very well. From Spain, can you imagine? And open this too.
You have to keep the box very safely because they said they want to take back from the other box. So you can put that inside.
Oh, 好大呀, very big. This, by the way, I have to cooking too. Open, la la. Yes, Just grab like this. Smash it. Yes. Oh yeah. Take this away. I want to see how it look like. Oh, this is cool. I want to have a big one. They have 2 times fire around. I love that. It's very good. But there's a Siemens company. They didn't made any more, right?
Because
produced not more.
I think in Germany.
Because in Germany, not many people.
You see how big it is,
yes,
right?
This is easy to clean, yes. Ah, they have 2 different ones. You can choose or what?
Ah, this is cool.
Ah, this is very good. Oh, they look like this. I say this one, they protect like this. They just make 2. You can use and choose different. Right? You can put in the on.
Ah, this is cool.
This is very nice. This is incredible. Depend to how you cook the things. You can take this away. This is what we wanted. Oh yeah, this is cool. I don't like too many. Just 1 is enough.
Now this is what
very nice. They have the fire in here around. They also have fire in here. You know, our Chinese people always cooking very hot. We need very, very hot to cook. In China, most people using the gas. Ah, finished dinner. Now I'm into my dessert. I'm too lazy. I don't want to cut it, put it in my place. I just eating use inside. Today is very happy days because our kitchen light is already on up there in my head. And the point is, I'm happy because I didn't saw my husband he getting panic, angry, and he just do by himself. I asked him today, did you angry about yourself? He said, no, not angry. I said, oh, means I find out he have to do the things all alone without me. It's better. And today our guest, this Hayat is coming. So you see, and then we can zoom to cooking. But we have to wait in the guy, he changed it.
No, I think I will do by myself.
Really? You want to do by yourself?
I have to check, maybe I can.
Okay, you want to do by yourself. But we have to give this old one back. Over there. I'm using the thin coverlet, otherwise I'm everyday cook, will make dirt. So, Today is very nice because everything finished without me. So, okay, I wish you like my video and have a nice evening and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.